Augusta Ada King, Countess of Lovelace, known as Ada Lovelace, is often credited as the world's first computer programmer. In the mid-1800s, she worked on Charles Babbage's early mechanical general-purpose computer, the Analytical Engine. Lovelace's notes on the engine include what is recognized as the first algorithm intended to be carried out by a machine. Her work demonstrated a visionary understanding of the potential of computers beyond mere number crunching. Ada Lovelace envisioned computers performing complex tasks and manipulating symbols in a way that presaged modern computing. Her contributions were largely unrecognized in her lifetime, but she has since been celebrated as a pioneering figure in computing. In fact, the programming language, Ada, developed by the U.S. Department of Defense, is named in her honor.